Excellencies, distinguished guests, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, good morning again. Welcome to the 2022 United Nations Public Service Awards presentation. My name is Victoria Kim, Program Management Officer from the Department of Economic and Social Affairs. I'll be the moderator today. For the past 20 years since its launch in 2003, the UN Public Service Awards program have promoted and recognized innovation and excellence in public service. The recognition of the 2022 winners is overdue, but it is quite special to celebrate their achievements and share their good practices with the global community on the United Nations Day today. You can find comprehensive information on these inspiring initiatives and more cases from the 20 years of the UN Public Service Awards program on the Department of Economic and Social Affairs website. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Lee Junhwa, Undersecretary General for Economic and Social Affairs, for opening remarks. Undersecretary General, you have the floor.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to New York to celebrate the winners of the 2022 United Nations Public Service Awards. I would like to express my warmest congratulations to all the winning institutions and initiatives. The challenges that we as a global community had to overcome to finally celebrate your achievement make this a truly special event. You are great examples and champions of the public sector innovation, and I'm delighted to be with you today to reaffirm that innovation in public service can pave the way for the brighter and the more equitable future. Public service innovation begins with understanding the needs of the communities and taking these needs as opportunities for change. Whether it is improving healthcare access during the pandemic, promoting gender-responsive services, or mitigating the impacts of climate change, innovation is the key to more effective, responsive, and equitable public services. In today's digital age, we often think of the innovation as the adoption of the new technologies, from the smart cities that optimize resource allocation to digital platforms that enhance the citizens' engagement. Technology can revolutionize how the public services can deliver. But innovation is more than technological advancement. It is about the new ways of the thinking and the different ways of the doing. It is about changing mindsets and organizational culture to ensure responsive, effective delivery. As we worked to promote the institutional and the policy innovations in the public administration, we also have to encourage inclusive approaches. Governments, NGOs, businesses, and citizens must work together to co-create solutions for the complex challenges we all face. We should redouble efforts to include traditionally marginalized and underserved groups to participate in designing and decision-making process. Through the open innovation and the joint problem-solving, we can harness the collective intelligence and the resources of the society to achieve the SDGs. Let's not forget that how the public service innovation can also enhance transparency and accountability. Through the measures such as open data policies and financial disclosure, public institutions can improve the information sharing and the tracking of the public funds to ensure that resources are directed where they are most needed. By promoting accountability, we can rebuild the trust in the public institutions. Excellencies, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, public service innovation can serve as a powerful instrument to accelerate progress towards the Sustainable Development Goals, as called by the world leaders at the SDG Summit held last month. We count on you to continue leading innovation in your organizations and inspire others to achieve sustainable development for our people and the planet. Thank you so much, and congratulations to all of you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Undersecretary General, for the opening remarks. We will proceed to the presentation of the UN Public Service Awards. The 2022 UN Public Service Awards was a challenging yet significant year for the program itself. A prolonged effect of the COVID-19 pandemic, coupled with the confluence of crises, it became even more apparent how effective, innovative, and accountable institutions at all levels of the government are crucial in mitigating instability and protecting people's well-being. The 10 winning initiatives being recognized today exemplify the creativity, innovation, and dedication of the public institutions and public servants who strive to make people's lives better and work towards a more sustainable future for us all. I will introduce the winners by category and region. Once your initiative is called, please proceed to the front to receive the award. Undersecretary General, may I invite you to step down to the front of the podium for the presentation of the awards, please. For category on fostering innovation to deliver inclusive and equitable services for all, the winner for Asia and the Pacific Group is Co-Libong Community's Digital Transformation for Smart Environment from the Digital Economy Promotion Agency, the Kingdom of Thailand. His Excellency Mr. Bichan Kayaki, Deputy Permanent Representative of Thailand, will receive the award on behalf of the Digital Economy Promotion Agency. The initiative introduced drone technology to monitor the coastline for illegal fishing and protect marine life. Deploying a drone enabled the patrolling of a wider area and brought cost savings. Through the initiative, the agency has also worked closely with the locals to create sustainable business model and technology management to improve the economy of the island. For category on enhancing the effectiveness of public institutions to reach the SDGs, the winner from the Asia and the Pacific Group is Science for Change Program from the Department of Science and Technology, the Republic of the Philippines. His Excellency Mr. Lactameo, Permanent Representative of the Philippines, will receive the award on behalf of the Department of Science and Technology. The program aims to promote inclusive innovation and address the disparity in the distribution of R&D funding. It works to increase the share of national R&D allocation to local governments and improve their R&D capacity. Through the program, regional R&D allocation has increased by 55%. For Eastern Europe Group, Proro Sale from the state-owned enterprise Proro Sale, Ukraine. The chairman of the board, Mr. Boot, is here to receive the award. The Proro Sale was established to transform the auction management of public assets in Ukraine. The online platform ensures the transparency of the privatization and leasing of state-owned properties and enterprises. There has been a year-over-year increase in the number of bidders in open auctions, which has brought increased revenue to the national and municipal authorities. For Latin America and the Caribbean Group, Community Peace Center from the city of Recife, the Federative Republic of Brazil. Mr. Rosa dos Santos from the Permanent Mission of Brazil will receive the awards on behalf of the city of Recife. The Community Peace Center encompasses a crime prevention strategy that includes educational, cultural, and recreational activities to keep young people off the streets. It focuses on strengthening crime prevention networks and providing quality services to the most economically and socially vulnerable people in the city to combat drug trafficking and violence. For category on promoting gender-responsive public services to achieve the SDGs, the winner from Western Europe and other group is implementation of the Pay Equity Act in Quebec by the Commission for Standards, Equity, Health and Safety at Work, Quebec, Canada. Ms. Odar, CEO of the Commission, will receive the award. Through the Pay Equity Act, the table has been turned to make employers responsible for equal pay. Now the burden of proof is on the employers to demonstrate the compliance. To date, Quebec has achieved 94% pay equity. The average hourly gap between men and women in 2022 was 10%. We also have a large delegation from the Commission joining us today. I would like to invite everybody to join Ms. Odar for a photo, please.
Sorry, I'm just still waiting for our DPR. So maybe we can skip this and then.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to keep it short also. Yeah.
Yeah, he's here.
He's here? He's here. Okay, great. Your DPR. Next, for the special category in institutional resilience and innovative responses to the COVID-19 pandemic, the winners are, for Asia and the Pacific Group, Tawalakana application from Saudi Data and AI Authority, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. His Excellency, Mr. Al-Atiq, Deputy Permanent Representative of Saudi Arabia, will receive the award on behalf of Saudi Data and AI Authority. The application served as a conduit for communication between the government and civilians during the COVID-19 pandemic. Information, data, and services are provided through the collaboration of 25 government agencies and incorporated 144 functions. It had 25 million registered users with 5 million daily utilization. The application has been a joint project from the Saudi Data and AI Authority and the Ministry of Health. For East European Group, the system of records of the State Sanitary Inspection from the Chief Sanitary Inspectorate, the Republic of Poland. His Excellency, Mr. Swarski, Permanent Representative of Poland, will receive the award on behalf of the Chief Sanitary Inspectorate. The initiative facilitated the integration of existing state health systems and real-time information updates on COVID-19. The system managed multiple communication channels such as websites, helplines, and mobile application. Helpline agents not only provided guidance on COVID-19 measures, but also undertook epidemiological interviews, registered real-time outbreak information, and updated vaccination status. With the success of the program, it will be adopted in other fields of public health, including the area of food safety and oversight of chemical use. For Latin America and the Caribbean Group, PANAVAC 19, from the National Authority for Government Innovation and Republic of Panama. Mr. Khan, Director of the National Authority for Government Innovation, will be joined by Her Excellency Ms. Cano, Deputy Permanent Representative of Panama, for award. The PANAVAC 19 allows real-time health data management, including lab results, immunization, and recovery certificates. The PANAVAC-19 information system was instrumental in the COVID-19 vaccination exercise, and it has been adopted by over 300 information centers across the country. Last but not least, the Western Europe and other groups, Social Inclusion and Community Activation Program, from the Department of Rural and Community Development, the Republic of Ireland. His Excellency Mr. McBean, Deputy Permanent Representative of Ireland, will receive the award on behalf of the Department of Rural and Community Development. The program provides funding to tackle poverty and social exclusion through local engagement and partnership between disadvantaged individuals, community organizations, and public sector agencies. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, the program was expanded to address food security, mental health, and digital exclusion, which intensified during the pandemic. Excellencies, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in the last round of applause for the 2022 UN Public Service winners. Yes, Undersecretary General. I would like to welcome His Excellency Mr. Hyunwoo Cho, Deputy Permanent Representative of the Republic of Korea, to proceed to the podium to give a closing remark as the host of the 2024 United Nations Public Service Forum. Excellency, you have the floor.
Thank you. First and foremost, I'd like to extend my sincere congratulations to all the winners and the delegation who were presented with this prestigious award. I'd like to thank His Excellency Undersecretary Lee Jun-hwa for granting me the honor of delivering these closing remarks. As we all aware, the most esteemed UN Public Service Award program is commemorating its 20th anniversary in 2023. For the past 2 decades, it has acted as a pivotal catalyst for fostering public service innovation and advancing its development worldwide. Korea has consistently been recognized since its inception. Some representative examples include the reform of a procurement operation in 2003, the 24 hours e-services for the public in 2011, and the Clean Marine Environment Initiative in 2021. On the occasion of being honored with this award, both central and the local governments persist in leading in public service innovations and its development, all the while actively supporting the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development. In retrospect, it's clear that beneath the Korea's rapid economic development and democratization, there lies a robust foundation of innovation and effective public service built over several decades. Furthermore, based on those advanced public service we have cultivated, Korea has been able to emerge as one of the leading global contributors, inspiring hope around the world. Innovation and effective public service must continue to underpin sustainable development, which remains at the core of our national agenda. In this context, Republic of Korea is fully prepared to host the 2024 UN Public Service Forum and Public Service Awards program. It will be an exciting opportunity to demonstrate our people's commitment to promoting innovative public service in the pursuit of the sustainable goals. We are eager to collaborate with the United Nations and the international community in organizing the 2024 UNPSF and the UNPSA in Korea. On behalf of the Republic of Korea, I once again extend my congratulations to the winners and looking forward to seeing all of you in Korea next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency. We look forward to next year's forum in Korea. This concludes the program. Excellencies, winners, please be seated. We're going to have a group photo. Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us today and celebrating with us. I know everybody has a busy schedule, so we really appreciate celebrating with the 2022 winners. Thank you.